y'all, thank you for clicking on this video and welcome to the Lazy Cooking with Sabrina. Alright, in this video here I'm going to be cooking some cheesy, yummy beef, delicious, y'all. These slides were so dang on bomb, y'all. Okay, that's all I can say is good. Anyway, if you guys like this recipe, definitely don't be stingy. Come on now, don't do that. Go ahead and share this video, like, comment, and subscribe, because you know what, it helps the channel out, y'all. And I appreciate all the ones that have been doing it, because y'all, I've seen the difference in my channel, and I just want to tell you thank you, boo. But enough of this talking, let's get into this video. Alright, in a pan I put about 2 tablespoons of butter. I put about a tablespoon of mustard and a tablespoon of Worcestershire, I can never say that word right, sauce. And I put about a half a teaspoon of some poppy seeds. And I also put about I want to say about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then I just kind of got that, you know, all melted into a nice little sauce. Then in another bowl I put some barbecue sauce, and then I used about a pound of thinly sliced roast beef, whatever flavor you want. And I probably could have went for 2 pounds, to be honest with you. So if you want to make this in the amount that I'm making, do 2 pounds, it'll be better. And then I just mixed it all in with some barbecue sauce, and I always like the sweet Baby Ray honey barbecue sauce. That's like my favorite. So that's what I'm doing right now, mixing it all in there. And then I used 2 things of some Hawaiian sweet rolls that I cut in half, and then I took this beef and then I just spread it, you know, all over on both sides. So like I said before, definitely I should have probably used 2 pounds. And then I just got some cheddar cheese, and of course I just plopped it on there all evenly and put the bread back on there. And then I do have my oven set at 350 right now. And then with that same sauce that I made earlier, I just took the little brush and spread it all over, and that's about it. Then I set this sucker in the oven for a good probably about 5 to 10 minutes. You don't want to leave it in there too long, because you know you don't want to burn your bread. And then voila, look at that, cheese melted. Y'all, man, when I tell you these sandwiches were bomb, I'm telling you bomb. This is perfect for a little quick dinner or a nice little yummy lunch that you want to make for the kids. I also like to make a whole bunch of them and put them in the refrigerator, and the kids can grab and go whenever they want little sandwiches. If you guys tried this recipe, definitely let me know. Tag me in all your posts at simplybeingsabrina. I appreciate all your love and support. I'll catch you guys in my next video. And as always, guys, God bless. Mwah.